Mother, fathers in the city, hunting blood. Blood! I don't know if I say I'm modern vampires in Manchester. Welcome people, welcome back to another reaction video. This week's video was suggested by Aiko Lee. I hope I say your name right. Aiko, me reply to you just as me I do the video, so you don't know, big up yourself, isn't it? And the video is called Tasting Jamaican Flavors. Tasting of the Jamaican flavors. My sister wanna like the other one, so I guess I'll be doing more reaction videos. Remember, send me videos you want to see me react to. You can send me on IG. Just send me like the link of the video. And Nico did a nice thing. She said, I nominate. You know what I mean? I like that. I nominate. Yo! Alright, now we get to it. These are some people, I'm assuming, they're having Jamaican things for the first time. Or flavors. The video, the original video, will be in the description. So check it out. Like it, comment on it. And the channel also. That's it. Hey, let's get into it.
That's a chicken foot.
This is definitely like blended balls or something.
Mama, why you would have guess blended balls? Like, who are blend up balls and put it in a food? Who would do that? I mean, there are some countries do that. They do eat balls. I think in Jamaica, they probably use balls to make soup and them things. But really, who are blend up balls? No blended balls here. Burn half.
Welcome to Taste Buds,
where we try mystery foods from around the world.
Ah, cool.
Ooh, how romantic. Ooh.
Oh, how romantic.
Wait. Oh no, do you recognise this?
What is this?
What? That right there is the ackee. It look like sauce ackee because I look good on the plate. Honestly, I don't see no saltfish. Maybe saltfish there, but the saltfish tiny. But sauce ackee, I see. But go on.
I think it might be a Caribbean thing.
It looks like Asian.
But we top right there, so. People overseas. Jamaica is in the Caribbean, but you know we are doing our own thing. So nobody put you in a Caribbean when they not talk about, like when you see Jamaican food, say a Jamaican food. Cause you see the rest of the Caribbean, some of the things them eat, we not eat. And some of the things where we eat, them not eat. For example, ackee. In a most other Caribbean country them, I think I want to buy a pass. They view it as a poisonous fruit or food. So them not eat it, see? But we eat it. Because we figure it out. Them not catch the sauce yet. So when you see Jamaican food, say a Jamaican food. Not talk about Caribbean. Because the rest of Caribbean, but you don't know we are doing our own thing, you don't feel no way. We want to get acknowledged properly. Not say Caribbean.
To me, like Thailand or something.
Jamaica probably.
That's right.
Jamaica! I'm proud of myself. Yeah, well done.
Not good. Weird. Like mushy.
Oh, what?
It is nice.
Alright, I can't ever get mad at the lady before because when I was younger, nobody could tell me if it eat no ackee. I don't want to hear about no ackee, see? See one of our friends here a pass. Let them do it, man. I'm a boss, I can't talk now. Alright, cool. When I was younger, nobody could tell me about no ackee. Yo, I not eat no ackee, see? I never like how it mushy, just like what she said, it's soft and mush out. I never like ackee. I'm telling you when I started ackee, maybe in a high school, probably, maybe like the last part of high school, I start eat ackee. And when I come to Kingston now, and so the cameraman them join them too. When I come to Kingston now and I have to fend for myself, at that time, you know, I start raid ackee tree and them thing there over UE, and then when we live off campus, we used to cook ackee and them something there. But when I was younger, not tell me nothing about no. I don't want to hear that. pick out the saltfish out of it and make me eat that with the dumpling or the bread. That's why ackee.
What have I just put in my mouth? I don't know. What is...
I don't know what you're putting in your mouth, Ed.
People always compare ackee to egg, I don't know why. Because it only look like scrambled egg, but for the most part, egg texture more rigid than ackee. So, unless you do the runny style of egg, when I burn up, yeah, the wet egg, no. Not wet egg. Ackee and saltfish. Right. Why? May I look hard, people, but I wish part the saltfish there. Oh, and by the way, you don't violate me thing, then glass you tested, see? Don't violate. I could continue, because tell you, I don't see no saltfish there, so. Not even one little tubes, one little thread of saltfish, I don't see.
Thumbs up, I think.
Thumbs down for me.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I'll have that any day. every
Thumbs
day.
up, man.
More than ever.
Ooh.
You?
Ooh la la. The puffs.
The puffs.
Ooh.
What am I?
I would like to say dumplings. I don't think it is.
Do you reckon it's gonna be good?
No,
Me
it's
neither.
gonna be horrible.
We're not giving you any chance.
That YouTuber here, so you might try, you might push him luck, You might push him luck. Because I'm getting ackee thumbs down. Watch it, brother. You violate. I don't know what them look like dumpling for real, but you can see like you have some food inside it. I don't know what. First me I see them here.
Chances.
Cheers.
How? I mean,
I'm not sure about it.
I'm
But like, it's not bad.
This not look Jamaican at all. I'm not Jamaican.
Yeah, it's very hard to like bite it.
really freaking out.
Like,
Yeah.
Stamp on. What? Stamp on go saltfish fritters. First of all, we don't say fritters. In Jamaica, we say flitters. Zin? Flip. F-L-I. Yo, I almost not spell it right. T-T-A-Z. Flitters. But of course, the highty-tighty and them people, them say frit. But a flit, we say. Zin? And how we make flitters now, they may look like dumpling with saltfish in it. I do not approve. I want the original style of flitters, where you just mix up the flour, you put like a salt in it to taste, you throw some water on it, you do kind of runny in a way, you have your saltfish, you boil it down, you take out the bone and all them something there, then you sprinkle your shellfish throughout. If you want to, you can put some scallion in there, some scallion. You see? Because them say scallion. We say scallion. You want to put some scallion in there, and then you make your oil get to a nice temperature. Then you take a spoon off the dough, the runny dough with the saltfish, and you put that in an oil. Flitters. I don't know what they are. Them I never get picked.
thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up. Just like family.
thumbs up.
And they are yellow like when you put curry in it.
Do you know what I mean? If it was the last thing there and I was starving, I'd eat it, but it's not just...
Yeah, baby love, I understand why you feel that way, because and I write flitters you get. You see me? You get fritters. Fritters different from flitters. You see what I say? Juicy beef, big up on yourself. I know juicy beef for that, but juicy have some bad flitters. Juicy have the real home style remedy, flitters.
Romantic meal for two.
Exactly.
Rice and peas, clearly.
Yep.
We need a double carb, so there's.
It look like rice and peas and curry goat. I don't know if I feel, but I don't like rice and peas with just curry goat alone. It's when you eat rice and peas, you have to have curry goat with fried chicken. Rice and peas is not right without fried chicken. See? If you cook rice and peas with anything else, look at fried chicken after there somewhere about the place. That are just rice and peas with curry goat. When I was bridging them again, I do not approve of this. I never something when I did like when I did younger. If you want to eat curry with, if you ever eat curry by itself, say curry chicken, curry goat, plain rice. No do the rice and peas. I violate. I don't care what nobody want. I violate.
There's a bit of potatoes.
I need to try. Oh, this is oxtail. This is definitely oxtail.
Oxtail, mama. You rang, yeah? You rang.
I love oxtail.
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's good.
I really like this.
I could actually eat it for like a dinner.
Yeah, that's what we usually eat it for, you know, but sometimes people eat it for like lunch and them thing there. It all depends on where you go. Really and truly, them type of food, yeah, you eat it whenever you feel like, but for most Jamaicans, you know, we're brought up in the habit of cooking it for dinner. But honestly, if me feel like to eat some curry goat in the morning with some plain rice, me not do the rice and peas, plain rice, then that's gonna happen. For lunch, people usually do that too, but as me say, rice and peas and curry, any form of curry, curry goat, curry chicken, you have to always have some fried chicken to go with it. That's what the thing said. It's just law. It's the law.
No!
It's a goat!
It's a goat!
It's a goat!
I'm eating goats!
Thumbs down it. 2 thumbs up.
Why you thumbs down the curry goat? Even though me is not a big fan of goat still, you know. If me I eat curry goat, I just want a little piece. As me say, fried chicken after that, but me is a chicken person. I love chicken. If chicken was the only meat on earth, I would be great. I tell you the truth.
Okay.
I rate this 5 goats out of 5.
Me are not the biggest fan of curry goat at all either.
Yeah.
Is it?
Is that? That's a chicken foot.
Okay.
Chicken foot soup, you don't get it any better than that. Yeah, when I was younger, I did like chicken foot soup. I did like chicken foot soup. The only problem for me with chicken foot is the struggle sometimes for like get it off of the bone. But being that I'm bigger now, I understand how to cook if you make it just fall off of a bone. When you go and take it up, it drop off of a bone. You see what I say? I don't like beef soup. That was one of the worst soups ever. Beef soup, nothing make. Chicken foot soup, maybe sometimes I have some chicken neck in it. I'm a chicken guy, okay?
Chicken foot? Chicken?
Yeah, chicken foot.
No,
Put it down, put it away!
Here's my eyes!
Chicken soup.
Yeah, chicken soup.
Boss them go eat.
Wasn't that bad, right?
That's actually quite good.
Yeah.
This is good. The soup's good.
No. Tried it.
I'm out.
Them a violate. Chicken foot soup is one of the best soup, as me say. You understand? Done right, are one of the best soup. I don't know what them are dealing with. Maybe I true them not used to the whole texture of eating chicken foot because I'm guessing in their country, if this is America, them are like a British place there, you know. Them dash with chicken foot and all them things there. Them only eat the known parts of the chicken. While, you know, outside of their country, you don't know, we eat chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken gizzard, chicken all both. All chicken head people use sometime too. And in the Asian countries, that's how they use up every part. Nothing goes to waste. But you see them mighty tight, you know, so them dash with them, they throw away this for them. So when them see it, them kind of, I don't want, you know, chicken fat. Relax on yourself. Chicken foot is delicious.
No.
Voila! Brown stew chicken foot. And the pepper down nice and on a bill.
Real?
I don't know about the whole delicacy thing. Because I know we alone the chicken foot. As I say, Asian people, they mash down chicken foot too. And not really a delicacy. I wouldn't say it's a delicacy. It's just a normal thing. You can curry chicken foot. You can brown stew the chicken foot. You can put chicken foot in a soup. Honestly, me all see Asian people them deep fry chicken foot. I don't know that one they go. Maybe man them all out here probably all a jerk chicken foot too. Because I don't put it past them. If them a jerk chicken neck, them would jerk chicken foot. So, I not really no delicacy, you know. I just food. A food.
3, baby.
Thumbs down. Very quickly.
On the move, friends.
This This is definitely like blended balls or something.
That look like sour sap.
Baileys.
Straight up milk.
Yeah, we've got a protein shake to start your day
Yeah,
perfectly.
totally right.
I'm on a protein shake.
Are you going for it?
I hope. Yeah, why
Cheers.
not? Better sooner than later.
I'm not a fan of the texture.
That is thick.
That is good.
That's malty.
The taste is nice though. It's peanut buttery.
How about that? Carrot juice, peanut punch. In terms of peanut punch now, I don't think I ever drink peanut punch. Maybe at one time I drink peanut porridge. But peanut punch, I never purposefully make peanut punch. I mean, I make the oats and blend up peanut in it, but in terms of straight peanut punch, I never really do that. So, I'm not the biggest fan of peanutty drinks. Me eat the peanut itself, but like, no, I'm not the biggest fan of peanut punch.
Easy thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yeah.
I'm gonna go with your
Maybe
medium
nice.
Yeah,
thing.
I feel
Probably
so
need to
boring
try
always
again,
going down the
maybe.
middle, but it's not
Adult
offensive,
days, you know?
but
Yeah.
it wouldn't be like the first thing I would choose either.
Yeah.
Me
You're on the
neither.
fence. I'm on the fence. Going there.
Yeah.
Alright people, that was not bad. You know. Yeah, so my foods them in this. Well, most of them would I eat it, but I have my preferences of how me go about it. I'm a chicken guy, so if a chicken right through. Yeah, so me live. Peanut punch. Never really tried peanut punch yet. Purposefully. Me probably eat peanut porridge. Soup, chicken foot, right way. Curry goat, it have to be with white rice. Whilst them mash down in this. Fritters, them say fritters, we say flitters, flitters the thing there. Not the dumpling style flitters. Flitters, runny dough. Yeah, me tell you enough to deal with that already. And what the first one with them do? Hey, me can't remember the first one, but it was a nice video to react to. If you want to see me react to more videos, I want to know what to do. Send them to me on IG. Just send me the link and I will check it out. And if it is worth reacting to, then go ahead and react to it. Make sure you mash up the like button, you know, if you get more videos like this, of course. This is Kevin Too Crazy. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.